Salvete, young scholars! Ready to unlock the magic of Latin? Today, we'll dive into the first declension nouns with some rhymes, rhythms, and fun. Nominative is the name to say who or what is here today. In English, that's your subject, bold and true. Like puella means the girl. That's who. Genitive shows that something's owned, her pet, her book, her ice cream cone. Just add an AE to say of, like liebe puella. That's her book, you see? Dative says who gets the gift. To someone special, give a lift. Use AE again. Now it means to. Like do librum puellae. I give the book to the girl. Accusative means the object's near, the thing receiving action here. Use M at the end to say the girl we see or greet or play. For example, video puellam. I see the girl. Ablative is the case of place, with, by, or from. It's full of grace. Use A at the end to say by the girl or from the way. Examples: cum puella ambulo. I walk with the girl. Now, are you ready to sing the case parade song? Nominative is who or what. Genitive shows the stuff she's got. Dative gives and shares the cheer. Accusative sees what's really here. Ablative says where or how. You are speaking Latin now. Let's test your superbrain. What is the case used for? First, the girl is dancing. Bravo, nominative. Second, I gave a flower to the girl. Bravo, dative. The last question, I walk with the girl. Ablative, you're rocking this. And there you have it, 5 cases strong, with fun, rhyme, and examples all along. Latin's not scary when you learn it this way. Keep practicing each and every day.